Hello everyone. So you would like to change the pitch of your audio file in Audacity. That is actually pretty easy. All you have to do is to have an audio file. I just recorded something here. I will let you hear it. Hello, this is an audio file that I am recording. It's something very simple. If we want to change the pitch of it, we just have to select it. With double click, you can select everything, or you just drag. You go on Effect, and there is Change Pitch. This allows you to change the pitch of the audio, making it a bit higher pitch, so a higher voice, or a lower pitch. I usually go lower. I usually go not too much, but just a little bit. I don't usually touch the stuff up here. I just move this, and that's what I recommend if you don't know exactly what this stuff means. And you go on Apply. Let's hear it. Hello, this is an audio file that I am recording. It's a little bit deeper. We want to change it more. Sorry. Let's do it again, and let's do it more heavily. We can go maybe 12. Let's hear the difference. Okay, let's go. Hello, this is an audio file that I am recording. Clearly very deep. So that is how you change the pitch in your audio file in Audacity. It's pretty easy, and I hope you can play around and figure it out better for yourself. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.